Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to home for many of us, aging and the choices we make as we get older. I want to share a personal journey and some reflections on how we can navigate this phase of life with intention and avoid repeating certain mistakes. You see, about 20 years ago, I made a list of what I considered to be stupid things that people often do as they age. It was a lighthearted yet thoughtful exercise, and now, as I reflect on my own journey, I find myself reevaluating that list and the choices I've made so far. One of the first things on my list was about hair color. I vowed not to color my hair, but as I look back, I realize that it's not just about vanity. It's about embracing the wisdom and experience that come with age. So, personally, I think it's important to find a balance between self-care and accepting the natural changes our bodies go through. Another item on my list was about limiting social circles to people of the same age. I promised myself I wouldn't do that, and I'm glad I didn't. Interacting with people from different generations offers a unique perspective and keeps life interesting. It's a reminder that age is just a number, and that we can learn and grow from people of all ages. Now, here's an interesting point. Some of the items on my list were about taking responsibility and being proactive about our health and safety. For instance, I vowed not to keep driving if it became a risk to others. This is a tough decision, but it's a necessary one to ensure the well-being of ourselves and those around us. Similarly, I included a note about hearing aids, acknowledging that sometimes we need to accept and address our changing needs. As I reflect on these choices, I realize that aging is about more than just physical changes. It's about embracing a new chapter with openness and adaptability. It's about finding the balance between self-care and responsibility towards others. So what's the takeaway? Well, I think it's important to have these conversations and reflect on our choices as we age. It's a journey, and we can always learn and grow, even from our own past decisions. What do you think? Have you made similar lists or had similar reflections? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and embrace the wisdom that comes with age.